Welcome to one of the best opportunities in all of Colorado. This is Porcupine Ranch, just minutes outside of Basalt and Aspen, with more than 70 acres and nearly half a mile of gold medal frying pan river that's all yours. Come along and experience this iconic property. The life of the property is the coveted frying pan river that flows right through the property. What makes a frying pan river, and in particular this stretch at Porcupine Ranch, so special?
It's one of the most exclusive gold medal waters in the state of Colorado. It's 12 miles of river from the dam to the confluence of the Roaring Fork River, and what it offers is an abundant number of fish.
And you have more than 1,700 feet of it all to yourself, just a few miles above the ranch Rudai Reservoir, with boating, jet skiing, and paddleboarding. This is the main house, a classic Colorado design in nearly 6,000 square feet. And here I am in the great room with a huge stone fireplace and vaulted ceilings. And check this out, massive views of the iconic Seven Castles. There are 5 spacious bedrooms, each with their own private views of the ranch, including the spacious primary suite with vaulted ceilings and this beautiful bathroom with soaking tub. Pour a drink in the billiard room, talk about your day on the river or out on your ride. It's just another day at Porcupine Ranch, the quintessential Colorado lifestyle. There are 2 separate barns with a total of 7 stalls, loafing sheds, and tack rooms, as well as additional space for vehicles, toys, and gear. Porcupine Ranch offers endless recreational opportunities. We're out riding today on Porcupine Ranch with Shauna Reddington, equestrian extraordinaire. Shauna, what makes Porcupine Ranch such a great horse property?
Well, as you can see, tons of grass, hay fields, and this beautiful home that you can come back and have a nice steak dinner on the deck. It's like a little mini Yellowstone lodge. I really love it.
Let's talk about why Porcupine Ranch is different from all the rest. Not only do you have more than 70 acres and nearly half a mile of frying pan river, but it's comprised of 3 separately deeded parcels. That gives the ranch owner the opportunity to develop parts of the property or keep it all together as a legacy ranch. And this property just keeps getting better. Check out the fishing cabin with more than 1,100 square feet, living room with elevated views, bedroom, bath, fully stocked kitchen that walks directly out to views of this amphitheater. Just down the road, downtown Basalt, with great restaurants and shopping. And around the corner from here, the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course at the Roaring Fork Club. Of course, up the way, the one and only Aspen Snowmass and Pickens County Airport. The location is awesome. Only a handful of properties in the Rockies rival what this ranch offers, but only one is on the market and ready for a new owner. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Come and check out Porcupine Ranch before it's gone.